In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add an Instagram feed to your Wix product page. Let's start by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. After you've successfully logged in, you can just choose the site where you want to add an Instagram feed. Moving on to the next step, you'll find an option named Add Apps, typically visible in the left corner of your screen. Just click on it to move to the next stage. Following that, you've got to use the search feature. What you need to do here is type in Instagram feed and hit enter to initiate the search. Once the search results are displayed on the screen, you might see a bunch of options. But don't worry, the one we need will be titled Results for Instagram Feed. So just go ahead and click on it. When you do that, you should get a few more options to view. Among them, you should spot Instagram feeds. Clicking on this button will lead you further into the process. To proceed, you will now spot Instagram Feeds info. Please click on this part, which will reveal the social stream, a place where you can add your Instagram feed. It might sound a bit intimidating, but it's actually quite straightforward. Now let's focus on the settings. You can access this by clicking on the button labeled Settings. This will open a settings panel for you. There you will find the option to connect your Instagram account to this feed. Whether it's a personal or a business account, it doesn't matter. You can connect either. Just go ahead and do it by following the prompt on the screen. And there you have it. You've just added an Instagram feed to your Wix product page. Now your site visitors can easily see your Instagram content right from your product page, increasing your social media presence and potentially leading to more engagement. Thanks for following along with this tutorial.